Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically add contact form 7 responses in Notion database. So let's suppose I'm a freelance website designer and collecting all my clients with the help of contact form 7. Now I want whenever my client submits the form, the details are automatically added in Notion database. So I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. Here I just need to build connection between contact form 7 and Notion. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take contact form 7 from where I will receive the new form submission and this complete workflow will get triggered. And in my action application, I will take Notion where the details will be added automatically as soon as the form will be submitted. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add contact form 7 responses in Notion database. For this, we are going to create automation between contact form 7 and Notion with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow. And now I need to enter my workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as how to automatically add contact form 7 responses in Notion database, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to add contact form 7 responses in Notion database, which means whenever I will receive the form response, that response will be added in Notion database, which means whenever I will receive a new form response, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will choose my trigger application as contact form 7. And then in my trigger event, I will select new form submission. Now I need to make connection between contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to us. And this URL will act as a bridge to connect my contact form 7 with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection, and to make this connection, let me take you to WordPress. So contact form 7 is a plugin of WordPress and I have already installed that. And on the left hand side, I can see all the options. So here I need to click on this contact and then click on contact forms. Over here, I can see all the forms that I have created and I want to use this contact form 1, for which I need to click on this edit. So this form has first name, last name, email and phone number. And to make this connection, I can see an option of webhook on the top. So here I need to click on this webhook. And this is the same webhook URL which I need to enter that I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's go back to Pabbly and from over here, copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now I have to scroll down and simply click on this save. So we have set up the webhook successfully. Now I need to go back to Pabbly Connect and over here I can see waiting for the webhook response, and under this it's written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission for which I need to fill a form, and for that let me open the contact form. So this is my contact form 7, and over here I need to enter first name, last name, email and phone number. So I am entering some dummy details over here. So let's say my first name is new, my last name is user, my email address is new99@pablitudes.com and my phone number is this. Now I have to click on this submit. So we have submitted the form. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received this response there or not. And over here we can see we have received the response. First name was new, last name was user, email address was new99@pablitudes.com and the phone number was this. This means our webbook setup was successful and Pabbly Connect is connected with contact form 7. And now I need to move to my next step, which is action step. So I want to add details of this form response in my Notion database. So here my action application will be Notion and my action event will be create database item. Now click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection, connect with Notion. And over here I need to select the page. So here my page is form 7 and I need to grant the permission, for which I need to click on this allow access and authorization successful. So Notion is connected with Pabbly Connect and now I have to enter all these details. So in my database, let me take you to my Notion account. So this is the database that I have created by the name form 7. And let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and while making the connection I have already selected my database as form 7. So here I can see the database as form 7 and now I need to enter the rest of the details. So to enter this I am going to use a process called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from contact form 7. So over here I will simply click on this and I can see all the response that I have received from there. So I need to simply click on this phone number to enter my phone number. Now I need to enter my email address, which is new99@pablitudes.com, and then enter my name as new user. So over here I do not have any content field, but if you have this in your form you can enter following the same process. And over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. If I manually write my name over here, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, this will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response. Now I need to go to Notion and check whether these details have been added there or not. And we can see we have instantly added all the details. The first name, last name was new user, email address was new99@pablitudes.com and the phone number was this. Now so as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open my form again and fill some other details in these fields. So let's say my first name is latest, my last name is user, my email address is latest44@pablitudes.com and then my phone number is. Now click on submit. Now this detail should be added in my Notion database, and for that let's open my Notion. And here we can see we have instantly received the response. The new detail has also been added in my Notion database. The first name and the last name of the user was latest user, email address was latest44@pablitudes.com and the phone number was this. Now to summarize, we took contact form 7 as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We filled the form and received the response over here. After which we took our action application as Notion where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, selected the database under which we want to add all these details and enter the details with the help of mapping. Simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response here added in our Notion database. So we have successfully created automation between Contact Form 7 and Notion with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.